Hi, my name is Sharon Lim. I'm independent Stampin' App demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today I'm doing a video on this lovely card using the new set, Attention Shoppers. And I did a masking technique with the little gift bag, and I'll show you how I did that. So first you start with a card base measuring 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. A piece of cardstock, 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and then a piece of DSP, decorative series paper, measuring 4 by 5 1/4. Those are all layering on the front side of the card. So I'll start with folding my card base. I'm going to go ahead and adhere the cardstock first. I do a little roundabout on my cardstock. I don't do it all the way. I like just the corners. Make sure the corners stay down. And then the piece of DSP, which is Winter Meadow. I'm using the other, I like to call the side B of the DSP. I like the little frame of this, and that's your card front all set. So the trick to getting the tissue paper to look like this is first I stamped on a piece of the tartan foil. So it comes in Pebble Path. I think this is Copper Clay, and this is, I want to say, Lost Lagoon. So go ahead and stamp it with some Memento ink, just like this, and then cut a little piece. So I did one of each of these colors. I'm going to focus on this one. And then stamp it on a piece of basic white here, and then color just the tissue paper. And here's the fun part. All you have to do is cut this part of the tissue paper so it's a different color. It's not like the DSP that you stamped on, so it actually gives you the illusion of coordinating tissue paper. So different ways of doing that, masking and things like that, but I thought this might be a cool way to do it. And then that way you have this to be able to stick on here. Does that make sense? Oh, I forgot to cut the bag out first. So cut just the tissue paper out of the one that you stamped on basic white, and then the actual, I'm going to go ahead and cut the tissue paper here, and that way at least it'll get some dimension. It'll rise up just a bit. And the secret is, you see, I'm not moving my scissors, I'm moving the paper whenever you're fussy cutting. And then that way, ta-da! So it actually looks like the actual, and you can, I think I did on this one. Oh, that's it. I actually cut the, what do you call it, the bottom part of it so it really looks like it, but I forgot to do it this time. Then here's the die for the sentiment. I did it in Copper Clay. I used the Treat Yourself. I thought this card would be a nice one for maybe a gift card to tell somebody to treat themselves to something special. I'll put some dimensionals on the back of that. And I see some pieces that are actually some of the dots. I don't have my brush. My brush is by my cut and emboss machine, so I'll just use the pick your tool. There you go. Treat yourself. And then, so I'll do this one first. And then I have my other bags already done. The magic of television. So you got this one, this one, this one. And that's it. Nice and quick and easy card. So if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you'll get some more of these lovely video tutorials that I love challenging myself to make. Whoops, that one didn't stick. And don't forget to subscribe. So again, sharing it with you at .blogspot.com, and I'll share that on my blog also. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.